What's up, guys, and welcome back. I'm Duct Tape FPV, and I'll be collaborating along with Just Hack It to bring you guys some awesome content. And the product we have today is the M10 YMZ FPV GPS. Now, when you open a package, this is the contents: your GPS and the 6-pin wire.
Alright guys, this should be pretty quick, but I'm going to go over the features of the M10 GPS. This has 6 pins, which means it uses the ground, the power, RX, TX, SDA, and SDL pads. Now, the input voltage can range from 3.3 to 5 volts, but make sure you don't hook it to a pad that has more than 5 volts, because you will fry it. Now, the M10 series chips are what I use on all my drones currently. They get an initial cold start, that's what they call it, when you first turn on your drone and it's searching for the satellites. It actually finds a signal rather quickly, and when you unplug and replug a warm start, it's super fast. I mean, before you're ready to fly, I'm usually locked back on. Now, an M10 GPS is one of the better ones. I've had some of the older ones, and you know, this is when Betaflight was figuring it out. Now they have the return to home pretty much locked down, and GPSs are a great tool. I fly over water a lot, super important to me. I suggest you get one, set it up in Betaflight, you know, make sure you use the correct settings because that matters, such as, you know, how fast you want it to come home, how high you want it to come home, when you want it to kick in. Watch a couple YouTube videos, and I'm sure you'll be really happy you did.
Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys how I have mine set up on the back of my drone. This is not permanent, I just have it here because I'm testing everything. This camera is becoming naked. This whole thing is just being tested. It will be moved.